Well, I'm assuming you clicked on this video because you want to know why I cannot have nice things and why I messed up. So this here is my 2012 Duramax, and I recently got in a front end fender bender with it with a mailbox. Guys, please stay safe out there while you're driving. I made a dumb mistake. I was driving along the road and I just briefly glanced at my phone and boom, out of nowhere, a mailbox. So guys, please put your phones down on the road. You got to be careful out there, or else you're going to be in debt like I am with this truck by wrecking it. But so that's what happened to the Duramax. I hit a mailbox with it, you know, dumb mistake of mine, and I definitely learned my lesson from that. So we already got some new headlights for it right here. I was lucky enough that my dad's friend had an old LMM. This is an LMO. And he sold it, but he kept the headlights for it. So I actually got these for free, so shout out to him. And then I just got a new grill, which is right here. Actually, that's the old grill. You can see it kind of broke up here and whatnot. The new grill is over here. And today we are going to be color matching this grill. And if you guys didn't already, you'll probably see my TikTok on this. So yeah, go check that out if you really want to see the step-by-step process. But from a YouTube standpoint, you guys are just gonna watch me do it. So let's get to color matching that grill, baby. Well, look at that. That took really a long time. I didn't record all of it, but got all the chrome off the grill, and we're about ready to, we're gonna start sanding it, and then I'm gonna paint it, and then she'll be done. She'll go right on the Duramax here. And you can see I couldn't stand it any longer. I had to drive it. So I put the headlights in, I put the broken grill in, you know, it's coming off. This is why I can't have nice things. And this headlight's in, it's barely in there, but it works. Been driving around a couple days with it, so had to put the 1500 away. It's not broken or anything. I just really wanted to drive my baby. She's been with me from the start, and I don't think I'm ever gonna sell her. This I might someday, but for now she's also my baby. Then we got the boat, the jet ski, and we're gonna be definitely doing some work on these two during the winter. So yeah, let's get to color matching this grill some more. Look at that, guys. Oh, the color match grill. Hell yeah. Looks great. Awesome. Woo. Listen to that idol. She sounds good. Anyways, got the new color match grill on. Now, from your guys' point of view, it looks good. But from my point of view, it don't look too great. Because when you look up close, you can see all the burn marks and stuff. And yeah, I'm going to have to repaint this at some point. But for now, it'll do me good. And I mean, it didn't turn out the best. But, you know, I'm happy because, you know, I did it. So from afar it looks good. You look up close, there's a few imperfections, but it looks better than chrome, I'll tell you that much right now. So now that we got the color match grill on, it's looking good. I've been driving around for a few days, but a couple months ago before I wrecked it, I actually got my truck retuned with EFI Live. I had an H&S Mini Max tuner on there before and it pooped out on me and I had to get my truck towed home, so now we got EFI Live on it. And for those of you that don't know and haven't seen the previous videos on my channel of the Duramax before, you know, I got the boat and all that stuff. I got a whirly tap wide bridge and some intercooler piping. Yeah, she won't get pretty. I've got an AFE intake and I still need to do the hot side intercooler pipe over here, but there's more to come on that. Maybe in the next year or so, but here's that idle. And I'm going to show you guys how much of a ripper she is now with EFI Live. She sounds amazing, honestly. She sounds amazing. So let's go for a ride. Oh, she sounds good. I tell you guys, she's a ripper. Anyways, so if you wanted to see what my bumper was like after I hit the mailbox, here's the aftermath here. Let me move this half of a weed whacker here. Here's my headlight. This broke. My fender wells, which are fine. I need to get a new right one though, because it's been damaged for a while anyways. This is my upper valence here. I've still yet to buy a new one of these. Yes, it was a purple mailbox. As you can see, it's all broken and snapped there. Don't care about that anyways. You can see my bumper is all smashed in from the mailbox. It got smashed pretty good, so I've got a new bumper already, and I still have to order the lower and upper valence, which the lower one is right there, I believe, and that's all cracked, but I'm not going to pull it out from the bottom. And one other thing that I did was I pulled off the snowplow mount off my truck because it was disgusting, and I don't think I'm going to plow any time with that truck because I love it too much. There's my plow right there, and I think I'm probably going to end up selling it this winter. So if you want the plow, what, $2 grand? If you want it, let me know. Anyway, so here is the new bumper. And I actually got one that's primed. Let's see. Yeah. So here she is. She's all primed. So I'm just going to send it off to a paint shop and get this all done professionally since I want it to look good. I should have done that with the grill too, but is what it is. I'll get it repainted someday, but for now, my custom job looks fine from a distance. You can't even tell. It just kind of looks dirty. And then I need to finish this upper lip here, order my lower and upper valence, and then we'll be good to go with this baby. And then next on the mod list for the Duramax is hopefully a built trans, because I really need that. So, but that's going to be a while because that's really expensive. So I hope you guys enjoyed this upload. Please give me a like and follow, and I'll see you guys in the next one.